When I sit down in this lesson, I need my pencil.
South African. Welsh.
This lesson. You know?
French. Oh, French! Oh god, you must have a terrible French teacher. I like to watch Jeremy Kyle in the morning. Jeremy Kyle is the best program. That's what we watch in my town.
Is it program?
Yes!
Das ist noch gut, ja?
German.
Yeah.
That's a bit of a giveaway. We're good. We're good.
Sehr, sehr good.
She's got a disadvantage. She's got big boobs. Oh. Stop it! Stop it! Go on.
Hey!
Go.
Oh, go now.
Okay, I'll try and throw it out.
Just because I did it really well.
Yeah, that's
I used to drink a lot.
What if we all miss? That isn't our draw.
Yeah.
nice. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Be careful. Don't. Go.
So tired of looking.
France. Right. Is it in French?
No. So tired.
Je m'appelle.
How can my parents
My mum.
expect good grades when I push a pull door? Can.
How old is your cat?
I have zero motivation left to finish the end of school. I've got school left and I have to finish! Of zero motivation, I have different erections. I have zero motivation left for school. To finish the end of school. To finish the rest of school. Yeah, okay.
That's not nice.
So,
That's vile. I don't know, but not
It's Marmite.
it's
I can
not.
smell it.
What do you think it is?
They're not so cute.
Yay!
Oh, see, I was close. Unfortunately, I heard it, but I know it's lemon. It's not in my mouth. Lemon juice.
Yay!
Can I have some gin with that, please?
Oh, is that Dairy D?
Yeah. Yay. So we all won.
My knees aren't that high.
Oh, she's done it.
Hey! Same time.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Should be funny.
Okay, so it's between Miss and Zishan now.
That's unfair.
Good at this.
You're great.
These are the
Yay, Miss is the winner. Okay, off you go.
Charlotte.
dimes.
Right, 1, 2, 3.
I think we've just learned that Charlotte can't catch. Okay.
Yeah, that first though.
Okay, so
We'll be on the actual photo. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then grab mine and pull. Yeah? Yeah, I might do
Pull,
that here.
pull, squeeze. Then
That's when you pull that, yeah.
nailed it.
What are
Yay!
you saying?
Okay, I'm standing in for Miss Timorous.
Are you guys scared?
Mildly. That's music! Okay, right, try again. Right.
Having friends over for late afternoon nosh in the garden.
You ready again?
Great.
All have their equipment in the hole.
Guys, for the forget. It came out with it. Oh, that's not.
Today I'm nursing a semi. Trimming back the bush to reveal a clear entrance has to be a smart move. And can I point out that we're entering the Hoe that day, all competitors please, entering the Hoe that day from the big entrance.
Thanks, Miss Timorous.
Who won?
How wet are you both?
She's not bad. I think I held it in more.
Sorry,
Miss
Miss Timorous. I wasn't very good at it.
Can I just take my top off?
You don't have to go. You could just stay with the girl. Thank you. I must say, you're the best form I've ever had. Trust me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I don't have to say. You know, when my thing was about one. Adios, amigos.